everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Activities. And here's Pablito.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Activities. Let's start reading.
Seek and Find Activities. Can you find these? Can you find the bucket? It's right there. Can you find the duck? It's quack quack in the pond. Can you find the lollipop? Yum yum right there. Can you find the zookeeper? He's right there cleaning the elephant. Can you find the water fountain? It's splash, splish, splush right there. Can you find the flamingos? It's right there, standing on one leg each in the water. Can you find the monkey? Crazy monkey is up there. Can you find the panda bear? Right there, chewing on the bamboo. Can you find the fountain? That's easy. It's here beside the lollipop. And the last thing on our list of things to find is the hippo in the lake with the duck we found here. Can you find the juggler? It's right there like a clown. Can you find the drink? Yum yum, orange juice. It's right there. Can you find the popcorn? It's right there, also really yummy. Can you find the ringmaster? Right there, next to the hoop. Can you find the elephant? There, with the super long flag with little spikes at the end beside the elephant's tail. Looks like a hand. Can you find the hoop? It's right there. Can you find the ball? It's right there with the walrus. Can you find the balloons? It's right there. Can you find the trapeze? It's right there. Can you find the lion? It's right there. Roar! Can you find these? Look at the cute girl. Can you find the cotton candy? Yummy yum. It's right there. Lucky girl has the cotton candy. Can you find the carousel? It's right there with little white cute horses on it with hearts. Can you find the Ferris wheel? It's right there, spinning. Spin, spin, spin. Can you find the corn dog? It's right there. Can you find the ticket? It's right there. The man is holding it. Can you find the bumper car? It's right there with the little girl. But then we're finding the one with the boy. Anyway, can you find the flag? It's right there. Can you find the caramel apple? Good hider. Right there. The little boy's holding it. Can you find the goldfish in the package? Right there, the little girl's holding it. Her pet. Can you find the stuffed animal? Oh, teddy bear, right there in the stuffed animal shop. Look, this little girl just got one from here. Let's see if we have more to find. Can you find these? Ooh, camping outside in the wild. Can you find a campfire? It's right there. Can you find a tent? It's right there. Can you find a sleeping bag? It's right there. Can you find the marshmallows? Yummy yum, I love marshmallows. Right there. Can you find a rabbit? Squeak, squeak. I can hear a sound coming from in the shade. There, it's the little rabbit. We found it. Can you find the fishing pole? It's right there. Can you find the lantern? It's right there. Can you find a picnic table? I love picnics. Right there, with full of stuff on it. Yum, yum. Lucky girl get to eat those yummy food. Yum. Can you find the squirrel? Right there, on the tree. Can you find the guitar? Some music coming from here. kids will love seeing
I found it!
with these adorable seek and find books that feature sweet illustrations of whimsical senses. While they're having fun, they'll be sharpening concentration and matching skills too. Collect them all! Bye everyone, hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow. Bye!